Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by ensuring permissions and the right project are active. Open the Invision app, sign in, and navigate to the project you'll work in. Once there, tap the Webverse icon to load the mobile environment. This allocates resources and initializes shared objects. Make sure your network is stable and background apps are closed so asset loads are smooth. After the scene loads, pause and confirm avatars, tools, and the main toolbar appear before moving to the next steps. You assign abilities by opening the Abilities panel and selecting a slot or template. This is where you define what the ability does. Drag it onto your avatar or tap Assign, then configure triggers, input gestures, range, and cooldown values so behavior matches intent. Once configured, use Preview mode to simulate the ability, observe effects, timing, and collisions. If something feels off, tweak parameters and animation blending. After a successful preview, save the ability profile so other collaborators access the same setup. You finalize by saving the scene and syncing changes to the cloud so collaborators receive updates. Test abilities in a live session to confirm networked behavior. Watch for latency and inconsistent state. If you encounter issues, open the live debug tool and logs to inspect events, triggers, and errors. Make sure animations and resource URLs resolved correctly. If things still fail, reload assets, clear the app cache, or revert to the last working save. This often restores
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.